Hello guys, today I'll be showing you real quick how to fix the input fields not feeding the correct values in Unity. So as you can see, I have a very basic TextMeshPro input field here, and on the onChange method I have chosen my onInputChange, which is basically as this. It's a method or a callback that prints to the console whatever value it receives. So if I go back to Unity and I start typing, you can see that value is empty. Now, you can also see that I have this huge text box here, and this is actually a reference type field. So here I can send any command like hello, okay, or any string rather. And if I start editing, when the command is fired, I am always printing this, which is not what I want. I want the dynamic version of this callback. And it's really easy. We're programmers, we're impatient, and we're kind of stupid. What you want to do is you want to go back to where you applied your callback. And as you can see, my callback applied here is onInputChange and then parenthesis string. Now, if you go up in this list, above this line, you can see that there's an exact copy of the list with callbacks, except they don't have the parenthesis string after. And here is my onInputChange method. I choose this one, and now I am choosing the dynamic version of the callback, which actually updates with the updated value from the input fields. So yeah, that was the problem for me at least. Hope this helped anyone. Thank you and goodbye.